YouTube, welcome to HTS. Thank you for stopping by my channel. I really appreciate it. And on this video right here, I'm just going to get right to the point. So whoever is trying to bring you down is already below you. And some of you who are just in startup mode, you might have doubts and stuff, which is not good. Don't ever doubt yourself. But sometimes it's the people around you who kind of make you feel that way. But I got a powerful tool for you. Now, before I get to this book that I'm doing this review on, I am not promoting this book. I do not have an affiliate link in the description below. By no means necessary do I get anything for sharing with you this book. And it's a powerful book, powerful tool, and it's free. So you've probably seen it floating on Facebook. Sell like crazy. How to get as many clients, customers, and sales as you could possibly handle. And the book's about the same thickness as .com Secrets. I don't know if you read that, but this book is free. This book is free. So if you see it on Facebook, you might want to just grab you a copy because it's free. And there's so many things that you're going to learn in this book. You're going to learn, it goes from different chapters to chapters like any other book. It talks about the rule for moving the money needle, which is something I never heard about. The 4% rule for moving the money needle. And the guy, I never heard of this guy before, but I started to learn a little bit more about him, and Genius Marketer is pretty damn good. So when you get this book, it is a free book. It is your book, of course, and it has a bunch of websites in here that you might just want to grab your highlighter and start marking. It has some websites in here. It has some strategies. You can fold the tip of the page, like right here. I highlighted these right here. Some pretty strong headlines right there. And is what you do with these headlines, you make them yours. You make them yours. Now, who is not going to opt into this? Listen to this. Warning, do not buy a new house before reading this shocking free report. 6 fatal traps of buying a new home exposed. The dirty little lies no real estate agent, builder, or even a buyer advocate would dare to tell you. Who's not going to open that? Who's not going to open that? So he gives so many tools in here and websites, headlines, things that work that have been tested. If you need help putting together your landing page, he has it right here about that too. And I'm not going to go through the whole book here, but if you all are marketers, especially if you're just starting out, I would suggest you get this book and read it. And when you do buy it, you could get the audio version. Excuse me, my tongue got stuck there for a little bit. You could get the audio book. You could just listen to it as you drive. And I think, just my personal preference, it's better for me to actually read it because I do get the more value when I read it, because you get the headlines, you get the graphs, you get more into the strategies that are used when you open the book up and read it instead of listening to it. So yeah, I wanted to make this video to show you about this book. I just recently got it a little bit ago. I haven't made a video recently because I started reading that book, and it's I'm putting some stuff to work. I already got some stuff in the works right now, stuff that I learned from the book. So we'll see how it works. But as of right now, in this review that I want to make for this Sell Like Crazy book, I would go rush and get you a copy before they run out. And like I said, I don't make nothing off of it, but if it could help you out there, and I already read the whole thing, it's really well worth the value you get for free. So that's all in this video right here I wanted to share with you. If you got any value out of this, or you like any of my videos, please hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and get notifications of my future videos coming up. I'm going to be more active now that I finished reading this book, so I apologize in advance about that. Thank you very much. You have a good day, a good night. Bye.